Assalamualaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going with my brother's family for playing arcade games and bowling. So I hope we are going to do a lot of fun. So I thought I have to share this video with my YouTube family. So it's going to be fun. So let's get started. So finally I entered, and when I entered inside I have seen everywhere there is too much crowd. So but it was really fun because I have seen after a long time arcade games and I remind my childhood, and I trust me, I also became like a kid and I played games like a kid. And I think sometimes we have to be act like a kid and remind our childhood. So I done same thing here, and I was looking everywhere about games. So it was really enjoyable moments for me.
It's a strike!
It was really fun. I played first time the bowling, and I played so well, Alhamdulillah, that everyone was shocked that I how it can possible that it's my first attempt and I don't strike and I'm playing so well. But बहुत मज़ा आया, और हम लोगों ने बहुत इन्जॉय किया. उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोगों ने भी इसको इन्जॉय किया होगा, मेरी इस वीडियो को. और जाते जाते हमेशा की तरह एक छोटी सी बात कि हमेशा ऐसे खूबसूरत लम्हों को अपनी ज़िंदगी में बनाते रहें, जिससे आपकी ज़िंदगी और ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हो जाए. और जाते जाते मेरे चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, शेयर कर दीजिएगा, और लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, और कमेंट भी कर दीजिएगा. और इंशाल्लाह आपको बहुत जल्द मिलूँगा एक नई वीडियो के साथ. उतनी देर के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.